Hey there, traders. Welcome to the new week. We should have maybe relatively quiet trading today with slow data flow, and I know we had the Asian holidays yesterday, but we'll see. It looks like the pound's dropped out a little bit out of its hat to start the week off. Let's start off with the Euro USD. You can see that this cross is still, let's go back to a 4-hour chart. You can see that this cross is still just basically sitting in the middle of a channel that it has been riding lower. It's basically just going sideways right now, sitting about mid-range. 130 seems to be comfortable at. If we go back to the cow setups, we are definitely still having a signal to go short, and that signal occurred after the giant drop on Friday, and you can see it was after the pair was down over 100 pips. So I still have not triggered on this trade, but it looked like we triggered at 129.78. Let's see if it ever went up the 129.25. So it still hadn't closed at the 50 pip negative also. So this trade is still active, but it would definitely only be one lot because we've already got the cross right here. At 130 basically where the pair is right now. So if you did want to go short, you could go short, and you'd look for a push down to the bottom of the trend, which is around 129.40. And of course try to go break even at 50, looking for a continued push lower. That would be the plan in the Euro USD. In the Aussie, we're still sitting at actually plus, closed out plus 150, and the pair has just continued to move lower. There hasn't really been a chance to move in, jump into it. Remember, we had this signal lower at 150.73, and now we're all the way down to 148.67. With this pair, I'm still sidelined, but let's take a look and see what we have, like more in a technical aspect. You can see that the pair did break below that key resistance here at 152 and has continued to push lower. Next target on the mind would just be this channel lower around 148.16. And now that the pair, if you remember, is below year-to-date lows, multiple year lows, broke below this trend line. The first level of real resistance here is at 147.90, and it looks like that's where the pair has its sights set on, and followed that with 142. So this pair is due for a technical pullback, but we'll just have to wait for the time to give us the opportunity. And the Aussie USD did gap lower. If you remember, definitely went short on this pair around, I think it was 102.34 that I actually went short on Friday, and the cross gapped lower, moved all the way down to 102, then basically closed back up to 102.36, and now we're basically where we ended the week right now, 102.23. This pair is technically still looking to go short. That was signal on the cow. And we already have the cross, so it would just be a one-lot trade. And the normal targets, you do a 50 pip stop, and you would be targeting 50 to go break even, then looking for 100. But let's look at the edge. And I know people are talking about this pair being in a channel, but I am not buying the channel. If we do break back below this low, 102, we can be all the way down towards the 101 level would be the target. So we'll keep our eye on that in the short term. Let's look at the rest of the majors. The CAD still consolidating. This is a boring pair once again around the 103 area. New Zealand, after its break lower on Friday, found support right here at 82, and it'll take a break of that level to get things exciting once again. We have resistance is going to come at 82.35, but if we break below 82, we have next level here at 81.50. That's the problem with this pair. There is significant support layered about every 50 pips. The USD JPY continues to push higher. This pair looks like it could be on its way to that 50 pip that I talked about quite a while back at 99 level. All right, everybody, good luck trading. Let's have a great week. And I don't scalp on Monday, so I'll just be looking at that cow setup, short the euro and short the cow. All right, everybody, I'm short the Aussie. All right, everybody, good luck trading.